Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some important numericals of chapter 2, that is motion. So let us see. First we can start with question number 4, where the question is: a body starts from rest with an acceleration of 3 meter per second square. What will be its velocity after 6 seconds? So you have to find out the velocity after 6 seconds. If the acceleration is 3 meter per second square given and a body is starting from rest. So what you should do when a body starts from rest? This is question number 4. Since the body starts from rest, we will take the initial velocity as 0. And acceleration given is 3 meter per second square. So question is to find out the velocity after 6 seconds. Here the time is 6 seconds given. So we know the formula. V is equal to U plus AT. We'll be using this formula where U is given 0, A is 3 and it is 6. So we can write V is equal to 18 meter per second. So 18 meter per second is the answer for question number 4. Coming to question number 5. I'll show you the question number 5 this side. Rajdhani Express leaves New Delhi at 4:30 p.m. and reaches Vadodara, that is at a distance of 1000 km, at 3:30 a.m. the next day. Find its speed. So you can see the distance between New Delhi and Vadodara is given as 1000 km, where the train starts at 4:30 p.m. that is in the evening and reaches the next day at 3:30 a.m. So here distance is given 1000 km and the time interval from 4:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. will be 11 hours. And we have to find out the speed. So we know speed is equal to distance by time. Where distance is 1000 divided by 11. So when you divide this, you will be getting around 90.9, which we can write it as 91 km per hour. So this is the speed we have. Let us now move to next question. That is question number 6. Please see how to do question number 6. And the question is: a ball dropped from the top of a building reaches ground in 6 seconds. Find the velocity with which it will hit the ground. The value of G is 9.8 meter per second square. So you can see it's given a ball is dropped from the top. So when a ball is dropped, we will take initial velocity as 0 and it takes 6 seconds to reach the ground. That is, time is 6 seconds given. So find the velocity with which it will hit the ground if the value of G, which is also called acceleration due to gravity, is 9.8 meter per second square given. This is given. So we know the formula. Since you have to find out the final velocity, we have the formula v plus gt. So instead of at we'll be taking gt, because g is the acceleration due to gravity given, u is 0, and we have 9.8, time is 6. So v is coming equal to 58.8 meter per second. This is question number 6. Then moving to question number 7. A car increases its speed from 10 meter per second to 30 meter per second with an acceleration of 5 meter per second square. What is the time taken by the car to do so? So let us see how can we do this. Number 7. Here the initial velocity is 10 meter per second given, and the final velocity is 30 meter per second. That means the velocity has been increased, and the acceleration given is 5 meter per second square. So what is the time taken by the car to do so? You have to find out time here. You have to find time. So what we can do, since we know t equal to v minus u divided by a, so this becomes the formula to find out the time. Next we can put all the values here, where v is given 30, u is given 10, and acceleration is 5. So we get 20 by 5. On cancelling it will be 4 seconds. So you can see the time taken will be 4 seconds. Now coming to the last question. Let us see how to do this. Number 7. Sorry, number 8. Number 8 is, a motorcyclist applies brakes with a retardation of 3 meter per second square. So here retardation is given, and retardation means there is decrease in the velocity per second. So in this case acceleration should be taken in negative and comes to a stop in 6 seconds. Okay, that means the motorcycle comes to rest in 6 seconds. So what was the speed at which he was driving? Here you have to find out the initial velocity. So write all the values given. Here retardation is given, so A we will take in minus, which is minus 3 meter per second square, and comes to stop, that is v equal to 0. And the time taken to comes to rest is 6 seconds given. And you have to find out the speed with which the motorcycle was moving, that is initial velocity. So we will use the same formula, v equal to u plus at. This time u has to be found. V is given 0, a is minus 3, and time is 6. So we can write u minus 18. Minus 3 into 6 will be minus 18. So you can bring this 18 to this side. We will have u equal to 18 meter per second. So you can see the initial velocity with which the body was moving is 18 meter per second. So we have completed the numericals part. Your work will be to do this in your physics copy. Thank you.